Your spine straight, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Om. Pranams to the Lord, pranams to all the Mahatmas in this session of practice for the competition, Gita Chapter 1. Let us begin. Bhashini, we start with you. Okay. Start from the beginning.
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः अर्जुन विषाद योगः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः। मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय। भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः। अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च।
सौमदत्तिस्तथैव
च
न तथै तथै
तथै।
Am I audible?
तथैव च
सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च
सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च। अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः। अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं। पर्याप्तं त्वदमे येषां बलं त्वदमे तेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम्। अयनेषु च सर्वेषु अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः
अनन्तविजयं
राजा कुन्तीपुत्रौ युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सहदेवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः द्रौपदेयाश्च Ma'am, is it the 20? What is it? No, is it the 18th or 6th one?
So you should not ask, is it? You should ask which one, 6th one or 18th one, confidently. If you are not remembering the question to ask, then just chant anyone and let the judge direct you. But you should not have a doubt, is it this? Not like that. You should ask, give the option to judges which one you want, the 6th one or the 18th one. Okay? So we'll repeat this scene again. Draupadeyascha.
Which one is it? 18th one or 6th one?
Okay, is coming, right? So you can ask which one, 6th one or the 18th one you can ask. Which one to chant? Hmm? Which one I should chant, the 6th one or the 18th? You ask that too. Okay, we'll repeat. Draupadeyascha.
Which one, ma'am? Is it the 18th or 6th one?
Okay, which one you to chant? Okay. Okay, 6th one. You ask, is it, the doubt is whether is it the answer. So you are offering them to a question which you should.
द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः अस्माकं तु
And the 18th one,
द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते
Prithitha Mahaprana.
सौभद्रश्च.
Which should I chant? 6th or 18th? This much you ask. So let us do the scene again. Draupadeyascha.
Which one? 6 or 18?
Yeah, which should I chant? 6th one or the 18th one? We'll repeat the scene. Draupadeyascha.
Which one should I chant? 16th or 18th?
16th, no. 6th, no. 6th and the 18th and 18th.
सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः बाहुः शङ्खं दद्मुः
Shankhan, Khan. A ki matra.
I'm in here in the 18th one. Is it Shankhan or Shankan?
Shankhan. Ha is there. A ki matra is there.
Shankhan dadzmuh prithak prithak. What is it?
Saghosha.
सघोषोधार्तराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव
Mahaprana.
नभश्च पृथिवीं
Again.
नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन् अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा
not Stithan. Stithan.
स्थितान् दृष्ट्वा.
Start again. Atha, start from there.
अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धर्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः धर्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः.
Good. So see, my dear, your memorizing is okay. Mahaprana still. When is your competition? 16? This Saturday or Saturday? And tomorrow we have one more. Don't go. Stay in this group. Though they will do 25, 1 to 25, it would be extra for you, but for 1 to 20 you be, so that there's a little more practice. Mahaprana is only a problem, rest not a problem. And 19th verse, you have not yet got into the flow. So Shankhan, Muf Pruthak, Pruthak, Saghosho is not flowing in. And after Saghosho, that line Nabhascha Prithvi also didn't flow. So 19th verse, you see in the sequence with like after 18, how it is coming. Rest, you are otherwise you are excellent. Mahaprana needs some more time. Okay, fair enough. Vismay, you want to go at 6:15?
Yeah.
Nitya, you want to go early today or you are there?
I'm there.
Okay, awesome. I'm so sorry for last night. It just slipped off my mind. I finished my one class of reading Eknathi Bhagwat, and then I thought, okay, I'm done for the day. I was not. I'm so sorry.
No, it's
Hmm.
fine.
Okay. So, Vismay, let's begin with you. 1 to 25, right, Vismay?
Yes.
You've memorized all.
Yeah.
Any weakness? Anything you need attention? Not done?
I don't think so.
Oh, awesome. I love that answer. Panchajanyam.
पाञ्चजन्यं हृषीकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पाण्ड्रं दद्मो महाशङ्खन् भीमकर्
Saundran Dadmu Mahashankham.
पाण्ड्रं दद्मो महाशङ्खन् भीम
Saundran Dadmau Mahashankham.
पाण्ड्रं दद्मो महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मावृकोदरः
Ishmamevaabhi.
भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु
Mahaprana.
भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु
Ishmamevaabhi. Mahaprana डाले.
भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु
Who is answering that? Vishnumevaabhirakshantu. Quickly. Vashani, Nitya, Darshan, unmute and answer quickly.
भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि
Good. Vismay. Bhishmamevaabhirakshantu.
भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि तस्य सञ्जनयन् हर्षं कुरुवृद्धो पितामहः सिंहनाद कुरुवृद्धः पितामहः सिंहनादं विनद्योचैः शङ्खान् दद्मौ
Shankhan, not Shankhan. If it is confusing, then say Shankham Dadmau. Then no, you don't say whether you have to say Shankhan or Shankhan. Then you say Shankham. Shankham Dadmau Pratapavan.
शङ्खं दद्मौ प्रतापवान् ततः शङ्खाश्च वनवानक गोमुखाः
Mahaprana.
गोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त
Yeah, Mahaprana.
सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दस्तुमुलो भवत्
Tumulo no. Tumulo short.
सशब्दस्तुमुलो भवत्
Bhavat. Mahaprana.
सशब्दस्तुमुलो भवत् ततः श्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः
भीष्मद्रोण प्रमुखतः. Two dvitvas have to come.
भीष्म द्रोण प्रमुखतः
द्रोण प्रमुखता no द्रोण प्रमुखता Bhishma
भीष्म
first dvitva Drona second dvitva both the dvitvas should come
भीष्म द्रोण प्रमुखतः
Drona pramukhatha no Drona pramukhatha dvitva should happen over there
भीष्म द्रोण प्रमुखतः
Pramukhataha Mahaprana also should come
भीष्म द्रोण प्रमुखतः
hmm.
सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान्
Artha Mahaprana
उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरुनिति
सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च
कौमदत्तिस्तथैव च अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः
वीर्यवान्
वीर्यवान् ma'am, which one? Is it the fifth one or sixth one?
sixth one
Okay.
so you
Viryavan.
ask which one should I chant you say if you say which one so it appears like you don't know where the Viryavan let the judges know that you know there are two Viryavans you should not give a doubt in the judge oh Viryavan is asking which one means is it from this chapter or not like that you are knowing it is in two places
Which one do I chant?
no give option no you should give option to the judges
Fifth or sixth one?
yeah, so which one you want, fifth or sixth? You should ask judges. Which one you want, fifth or the sixth one? This much you can ask. Viryavan. How will you ask? I said
Which one do I
Viryavan.
chant? Fifth one or the sixth one?
Again, Viryavan.
Which one do I chant? The fifth one or the sixth one?
Okay, sixth one.
Saubhadro
Oh,
Draupade.
Mahaprana.
Saubhadro Draupade Sarva eva Maharathaha Asmakam tu Vishishtaye Tani Bodha Dvijottama
Dvijottama. Dvitva.
Tani Bodha Dvijottama
Good.
Nayak.
Fine. So what now we are going, you have still time, right? You have half an hour. So
Yeah.
you'll wait in this chanting. Darshan and Nitya will chant 1 to 25. Darshan will do all even now and Nitya will do all odd ones. Okay. All others will chant now 1 to 25. Start.
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः अथ
This may chant.
अर्जुन विषादयोगः धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय
सञ्जय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढन्
Mahaprana.
दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्
पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यमहतीं च मूं व्यूढान् द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता
अत्र शूरा महेश्वासाः भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः
धृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैभ्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः
युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः
अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तान् निबोध द्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य सैन्यार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते।
भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्चयः अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च
अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थी त्यक्त्वा जीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः।
अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम्
अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि।
तस्य सञ्जनयन् हर्षं पुरुवृद्धः पितामहः सिंहनादौ विनद्योच्चैः शङ्खं दद्मौ प्रतापवान्
ततः श्वेतर्हयर्युक्ते
शङ्खं दद्मौ प्रतापवान्
ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च प्रणवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्तन्यः
सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त
सशब्दस्तु मुलोऽभवत्।
ततः श्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदद्मतुः
पाञ्चजन्यं हृषीकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दध्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मावृकोदरः।
अनन्तविजयौ राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः
तिरः महाप्राण
कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः
तिरः T power loud
युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सह देवश्च सघोषमणिपुष्पकौ
काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः धृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्चापराजितः।
पराजितः
द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीं पते
I'm going to beat you now.
द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खं दद्मौ पृथक् पृथक्
सघोषोधार्तराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि
सघोषोधार्तराष्ट्राणां you said or धार्तराष्ट्राणां you said
सघोषोधार्तराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन्।
अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः
Again say the word dhanu.
धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डव
Dhanurudhyamya no. Dhanurudyamya.
धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः
Nitya.
ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते अर्जुन उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत
यावदेतां निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामा
Niteham. Father finished. Ma only.
यावदेतां निरीक्षेऽहं
Niriksheham. Ridirgha.
यावदेतां निरीक्षेऽहं
Niriksheham no. Niriksheham. Stretch the re.
यावदेतां निरीक्षेऽहं
How
निरीक्ष
now?
यावदेतां निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थिता कैर्मया
Yoddhamanavasthitan. No, half no is there.
योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम्
Yodhavyam. Ha. Correct.
योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे
Samudhya no, my dear.
समुद्यमे
Samudyame.
समुद्यमे
योत्स्यमानानवेक्षेऽहं य एतेऽत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षव
What happened to you, Nitya? Chikirshavah. Visarga?
चिकीर्षवः
संजय उवाच एवमुक्तो हृषीकेशः गुणाकेशेन भारत
What Bharata?
गुणाकेशेन
Guna. Guda.
गुणाकेशेन
Senayur. Huh. Sorry. Eva mukto.
एवमुक्तो हृषीकेशः गुणाकेशेन
Oh, darling, Guda, not Guna.
गुणा
Guda.
गुणा
Guda, drum, da.
एवमुक्तो हृषीकेशः गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्
भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः
Again, Dvitva. Bhishma Drona Pramukha. Pramo, Dvitva.
भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षितान् उवाच
Sarvesham Mahikshitan, you said? No. Mahikshitam.
महीक्षितान् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरूनिति
Okay, both of you still wait. I'm going to come back to you for memory. We will go to Bhashini now for the memory. Nitya, you have something to say.
Yeah, is it uvacha partha pashyaitam or pashyitan?
Shaitan. No. Uvacha Partha Pashyaitan Samavetan Kuruditi. Short, Niti. Okay.
Varshaji, along the same lines, the first one, the Bhishma Drona Pramukhataha, is it Sarveshan or Sarvesham?
Sarvesham cha Mahikshitam if
Ah.
you're doing the Anuswara rule. But if you're not following Sarvesham cha also, if you say, no problem if you're not following the rule. Okay. So now we will do between Bhashini and Alkaji 1 to 25. Okay. So others are also going to chant. What are we doing now? We are narrowing down on the pronunciations, and then the memory we will do quickly something. Okay. So Alkaji, you take all the odd ones. Bhashini, you take all the even ones. Others also have to chant. Vismay will also chant. Vismay still has 10 minutes. One more round for Vismay. You have to chant. I'm not saying.
Bhavika.
Yeah, Bhavika, I said.
No, you said Bhashini.
Did I? Oh, no, 1 to 25. Bhashini's turn is over. Bhashini has memorized well, but she has to work on the Mahaprana. Bhashini, till 1 to 20, don't run away. You chant. Because that much practice we are coming, that many times we are listening. Okay, begin.
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः अर्जुनविषादयोगः धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय
Sanjay uvaच दृष्ट्वा तु
Not
पाण्डवानीकम्
dhruva, drishtva, the alpa prana.
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्
पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राण
Nitya, let me see your lips move.
पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यमहतीं च मूं व्यूढान् द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता
अत्र शूरा महेश्वासाः भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः
Are you saying
दृष्ट
Yuyudhano or you are saying Yuyudhano?
युयुधानो
Okay.
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः
युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः
Bhavika, just go a little higher, otherwise it is sounding very dull. Go Yudhamanyuscha Vikrantaha. Go higher.
युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयश्च सर्व एव महारथाः
अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तान्निबोधद्विजोत्तमा नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते
भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च
अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः
अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं
Balam Bhishmabhi.
बलं भीमाभि
Say that line again.
पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम्
अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि
तस्य सञ्जनयन् हर्षं कुरु वृद्धः पितामहः सिंहनादौ विनद्योच्चैः शङ्खान् दद्मुः शङ्खान् दद्मौ प्रतापवान्
ततश्शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च पणवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दस्तु मुलोऽभवत्
ततः श्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधव
महति स्यन्दने
महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदद्मतुः
Darshan, don't read. You are
पाञ्चजन्
peeping into something else. You are not chanting. Huh.
पाञ्चजन्यौ हृषीकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दध्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मावृकोदरः
अनन्तविजयो राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सह देवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ
Mani, no. Mani.
काश्यश्च
Say nice Mani. Mana.
सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ
काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः धृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्चापराजितः
द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दद्मुः पृथक् पृथक्
सघोषोद्धार्तराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन्
अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः
Ha Mahaprana.
धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः
ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते सञ्जय उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत Sorry, my mistake. It is Arjuna Uvacha. Arjuna Uvacha सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत
यावदेतान् निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे
योत्स्यमानानवेक्षेऽहं य एतेऽत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः
सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्तो हृषीकेशः गुणाकेशेन भारत
Keshena. Keshena.
गुणाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्
Madhye.
मध्ये सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्
भीष्मद्रोणः प्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरूनिति
Good. Okay. Now let us do the memory part of it. Nitya will start with you.
Do I chant from first shloka?
No, I'll tell you. Shankhandadhmau.
Shankhandadhmau pratapavan
अन्ये च बहवः शूराः शङ्खं दध्मौ प्रतापवान्
Simhanadam.
सिंहनादं विनद्योच्चैः शङ्खं दध्मौ प्रतापवान् ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च
Bhashini can leave, Vismay can leave. Bhavika has to wait because you have to finish the memory part. Where you have to go? Why are you in hurry?
Ma'am, I have another class
At what time?
at 6:30.
Okay, you came in very late, no?
Yes, ma'am. I
Why?
came from school very late.
Oh, you came from school. Okay, just let me finish with Nitya, then I will take yours after that. Okay.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, darling. Because you have to leave, no? 6:15 it is. Okay, Hari Om, sweetheart. So tomorrow, okay, he's gone. Okay, Nitya. Simhanadam.
सिंहनादं विनद्योच्चैः शङ्खं
Not Khan, Khan.
दध्मौ प्रतापवान्
Hmm.
ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च
Now correct. But when you both were chanting, that time also this 13 one you had faltered. Now that's why I started with that. So you'll have to work in this area, huh? Little weaker area over here. Tata Shankhaschya start.
ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च प्रणवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त
So
सशब्दं
this is also one weak area. This also needs focus. There you are little hesitate because there was a wrong pronunciation habit. Today only it got corrected. So this area, huh? So number 13. So taking from 12 and translating into 13 is taking time. Huh? Sahasaivabhya.
सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दस्तु मूलोऽभवत् ततः श्वेतर्हयैर्युक्ते महती
Saghosho.
सघोषोधार्तराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन् अथ व्यवस्थितान् धृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्चापराजित द्रुपदो
It is why it
द्रौपदेयाश्च
is happening? Parajita. Again. Parajita. Visarga is not coming out.
पराजितः
Say again
द्रुपदो
that line. Drishtadhyumno.
धृष्टद्युम्नो
Mahaprana.
धृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्चापराजितः द्रुपदोपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दध्मुः पृथक् पृथक्
Kashirajascha.
काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैभ्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः
Putro.
कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सह देवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ काश्यश्च
Saumadattis.
सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च अन्ये च बहवः शूराः
Tamauchascha.
उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व
Etetra.
एतेऽत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः
Continue.
सञ्जयोवाच एवमुक्तो ऋषिकेशः गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयो तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य सैन्यार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते
Sahadevascha.
सहदेवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः धृष्टद्युम्नो
प्रियचिकीर्षवः
प्रियचिकीर्षवः संजय उवाच एवमुक्तो
So work
ऋषिकेशः
on this area. Huh? This transition is taking little time. 2-3 times it has happened now. Good. Balam Bhishmabhi
बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्रिदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम् अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा
Dayani
हृदयानि व्यदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन्.
Good, good. We have done. So weaker areas, the transition when both of you were chanting, the transition at 4, 5, 6, there that Viryavan transition is a problematic. Transition from 12 to 13 is a problematic. Transition from 23 to 24. These 3 areas you have to work, Nitya. Memory is otherwise good. These 2, 3 that repeat is happening, and that's Sahasaivabhyahanyanta, that pronunciation. Okay. Bhavika, but don't go Nitya, you will do it with Bhavika also and Darshan also, so you'll get more practice. Bhavika will quickly release you. Come on, let us start.
Yeah, I also have a class at 6:30.
Oh, you have to go now immediately, or you have to leave at 6:30?
At 6:30.
Okay, then you can do it with Bhavika. Bhavika, let us start. Kuru Vruddha
गुरुवृद्धः पितामहः सिंहनादो विनद्योच्चैः विनद्योच्चैः शङ्खान् दद्मौ प्रतापवान् ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च
Shankhan Dadmo, you said? Shankhan Dadmo.
शङ्खं दद्मौ प्रतापवान् ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च पणवानकगोमुखाः
Putro.
कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सहदेवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ
Draupadeyascha.
which one?
What to ask?
Drupado
Which one should I chant? So you can ask which one you want. Drupado Draupadeyascha or Saubhadro Draupade. No. Which one is that? Saubhadro Draupade. So either you give the option of Drupado Draupadeyascha Saubhadro, or you give the verse number, you want number 6 or you want number 18. You should not ask which one and pause, because that gives the impression that you are no. You should give an option to the judges to make them. Why are you asking judges? Because you want to show off that you know it. Otherwise, no need to ask. Drupado Draupadeyascha you can chant, or you can chant Saubhadro Draupadeyascha also. Judges are not going to say anything. But it should not be a damage incurred in the process. Okay. So even if you don't ask the judges also, it's fine. You can continue and then they will again bring you back over there. When you ask, you should have a crisp, exact question. Which one you want, ma'am or sir? Drupado Draupadeyascha one, or you want Saubhadro Draupadeyascha one? Okay. Draupadeyascha.
Which one do you want? 18th one? 6th.
6th one.
सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयश्च सर्व एव महारथाः अस्माकं तु
Kashirajascha.
काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्थिभोजश्च
Kunti.
कुन्तिभोजश्च शैभ्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः
Nabhascha.
नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन् अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा हर्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते
Priyachikirshavaha.
सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्तो हृषीकेशः गुणाकेशेन भारत.
सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये.
Ma'am, do you want the 21st one or the 24th one?
21st.
सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये
मध्ये महाप्राण.
सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथौ स्थापयामेच्युत.
Or even if you don't want to ask like that, another simple way is to ask is there are two Draupadeyascha. Another simple way to say there are two Viryavan, there are two Viratascha, there are two Senayorubhai. So that also conveys that you know that there are two. And then after that, you ask which one you want, or 4th or 6th or 18th, then you can give. So that was also one of the way. Or if you feel that you are not wanting to ask, also it's okay not to ask, just begin chanting and the judges will bring you to the second one. Okay. Let's go ahead. Anyecha.
अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः अपर्याप्त
Bodha.
तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तम
Bodha Mahaprana.
तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते भवान्
Drishtadyumno.
भीष्मश्च धृष्टद्युम्नो
Not
विराटश्च
Dhyumno. Not Dhyumno.
सात्य
No. Not Dhyumno. Dyumno.
धृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्चापराजितः द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दद्मुः पृथक् पृथक् सघोषो धार्तराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन् अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कविध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते अर्जुन उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथौ स्थापयामेच्युत यावदेतान्निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दस्तु सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दस्तु मूलोऽभवत् तस्य ततश्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधव.
Good going. You have some 4-5 minutes, right? Even Nitya has, I think, 4. Where did Nitya go? Okay, another 4 minutes are there. You join for Darshan's one also. Darshan, come quickly. Shikhandi.
Maharatah Drishtadyumno Viratash. Drishtadyumno Viratascha Satyakischa Parajitah Drupado Draupadeyascha Sarvashah Prithivipate.
No. Prithivim you are saying again and again.
Prithivipate.
I'm not liking it. Again, Drishtadyumno. Start.
Drishtadyumno Viratash.
Not Dhyumno.
Drishtadyumno Viratascha Satyakischa Parajitah Drupado Draupadeyascha Sarvashah Prithivipate. सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दद्मुः पृथक् पृथक्
सौमदत्ते
तथैव च अन्ये च बहवः शूराः
भीमाभिरक्षितम्
अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिता भीष्ममेव
भागमवस्थिताः फुल्
अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि तस्य
द्यौ
सञ्जनय
शङ्खौ
Can you repeat it again?
दिव्यौ शङ्खौ
प्रदत्मतुः पाञ्चजन्यो हृषीकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दद्मौ महाशङ्खौ भीमकर्मा
पौण्ड्रं दद्मौ महा
शङ्खं पौण्ड्रं दद्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मा वृकोदरः
धनुरुद्यम्य
पाण्डवः ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते इदमाह महीपते अर्जुन उवाच सेनयो
रथोत्तमम् स्थापयित्वा
स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्
करेक्ट भीष्मद्रोण
भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिता महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतां समवेतान् कुरूनिति धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः
Give a minute. If Nitya and Bhavika have to go, please go because it's 6:30 for your class. Hari Om, sweeties.
Hari Om, ma'am.
Hari Om. Dhanurudyamya.
धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते अर्जुन उवाच
अयनेषु च
सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः
वीर्यवान्
पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः
another वीर्यवान्
सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च
द्रौपदेयाश्च
सर्व एव महारथाः
another द्रौपदेयाश्च
सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च
No, you are going to send me an audio recording. Sarvashah Prithivipate, Sarvashah Prithivipate, Sarvashah Prithivipate. How many times you will say? I want an audio. How many times you will say?
10 times.
So you make it 50 times. Okay. Sarvashah Prithivipate, like that. Continuous audio. Okay. Sarvashah, count it on your hand. Like this. Look over here. Sarvashah in this speed only. Sarvashah Prithivipate. Sarvashah Prithvi. And not Sarvashah Prithvi. Not like a japa which people do. Not like that. Prithvi, Tha, Vi, Dirgha, Pate. Sarvashah Prithivipate. Count in your hand 10 fingers, like that 5 rounds. Then 20 times I want one more line. Which one? Rishikesham.
Oh, Rishikeshan tada vakyam idamahamahi
Mahipate. So this 20 times you give me. 50 times that Prithvi Pate, because I can't beat you over Zoom, right? So that is the way I can beat you now. That's my love for you. You are the first prize winner. Dare you get even a second prize because of all your negligence and dream boy. Come on. So, what you are going to say? Sarvashaf.
Prithivipate 50 times.
Sir. Sarvashaf. I have to break that habit, and the only habit to break is to make you say that so many times. Huh? Sarvashaf. Hmm.
Sarvasha Prithivipate.
So this speed 50. Okay. When will you send it?
Tonight, tonight
You
or
have
tomorrow.
any tuition class tonight?
I have some other things need to be done.
What is that other thing?
I
Cook
have
in
I
the
have
house.
another class also from 8:30 to 9:30.
Which one?
Science.
Okay. I thought some other thing you have to do means you have to cook in the house for everybody or something. I thought. Okay.
Paneer Techa
8:30.
for them.
And up till 8:30, what you have now? From 6:30
Now
to 8:30?
6:30 to 8:30. I have to. I have just finished my other school work. I'm finishing all my homeworks before I could just spend some of the time in doing
Okay.
Gita.
Okay. And tomorrow you have school?
Tomorrow I have school.
You have school homework?
Every day we have homework because we are
Okay.
first now in secondary.
So what I will do, I'll give you now, it is 6:35, right? I will give you up till 7 o'clock to complete this audio. Send me the audio, and then from 7 to 8:30 you do your schoolwork. Because it will not take half an hour to make this. So this continuation of Gita only will register it. So 6:35 now. I give you time till 7 o'clock. Send me the WhatsApp audio now. And then 7 to 8:30, you have got lot of time to do your school homework. And you will, before that, you will finish your schoolwork, and 8:30 you can sit for your class. Okay. So now I will release you from here because you
I
have to
will
do the
need you
audio.
to ask you something else. You told me.
Ask everything, but this time is till 7 o'clock you have.
Yes.
Ask.
Do you want me to leave or?
No.
Okay.
Oh, for
It's
the
not.
medicine thing, I will send you a WhatsApp message.
Okay. Yeah, I thought he wants to speak something in private. That's why.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, his medicine thing, the cough medicine. Okay, send me the audio. By that time, I'm going to take Alka G's. You are not doing anything else. Don't go here and there. Sit in that place only and record your audio. Sarvashah Prithivim Pate. And if again I hear in that Prithivim Pate, then again another 50 times I'm going to give you. So make sure and not to break the audio. Okay, it should go in continuation, not pause. Continuation. Sarvashah Prithivipate. Sarvashah Prithivipate. Sarvashah. You have to keep doing. And where you will count? Where you will count on hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One round over. Like that, 5 rounds.
And then and then there was another one.
That Mahipate, no, first we will do this Prithivipate. Mahipate, you were okay. That was only 20 times. Okay. Okay. See you shortly on the WhatsApp. Hariyo. Love you. Okay. Each child needs different kind of push.
It's commendable that he's doing it, right? Even at
Of
being a
course.
teenager, because I can't convince my older child to do it.
Of course, no, no. And he has such great voice. He chants so well. Hmm. Okay, so now we will do the remaining 26 to 47 chanting is there. Padmini ji, I'll borrow your time.
Oh, Padmini ji is here?
Yeah, because she has finished in the morning. So I said, if you
Okay,
want to
okay.
practice, come with the camera off
Okay, okay.
and you can just do the listening part. Padmini ji, you are there still? Maybe she's feeding the child. Okay, fine, no problem. You chant from 26 to 47 first.
Okay. तत्र पश्यत् स्थितान् पार्थः पितृनथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा
Are you saying
कृप
Sakhi?
स-
So don't say na, say wa. Sakhim statha. Don't say sakhin.
Okay,
Or
okay.
then sakhin, then ma. If not ma, then wa.
Wa-
Sakhim statha.
सखींस्तथा
Tatha. The alpha family.
सखींस्तथा
And then don't make wa prominent. Let the
Ah,
wa in the nose. Sakhim statha in the nose.
सख्युंस्तथा
Hmm.
श्वशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान् कृपया परयाविष्टः विषीदन्निदमब्रवीत् अर्जुन उवाच दृष्ट्वेमौ स्वजनं कृष्ण युयुत्सुं समुपस्थितं
Yutsun, again, not na, it's one. Yuyutsum samu, because it's sir, right?
Okay.
Yuyutsum samu. And if we
युयुत्सुं
are not able to do a correct anuswara, then we should do ma. Then yuyutsum samupasthita.
Okay. युयुत्सुं समुपस्थितं सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति वेपथुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते गाण्डीवं स्रंसते हस्तात् त्वक्चैव परिदह्यते न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च किं नो राज्येन गोविन्द किं भोगैर्जीवितेन वा येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितं नः राज्यं भोगाः सुखानि च.
Rajyam, no. Now Rajyam bhogas.
This is Rajyam, is it? Okay. Okay. त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च आचार्याः पितरः पुत्राः तथैव च पितामहाः मातुलाः श्वशुराः पौत्राः शालासम्बन्धिनस्तथा एतान्न हन्तुमिच्छामि घ्नतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतोः किं नु मही कृते निहत्
Krute.
किं नु मही कृते
Etoh kinnu mahi krute.
हेतोः किं नु मही. Oh, it's not kim, kinno, correct.
So, but then you have not started saying Anuswara from verse number 32. Nakankshe Vijayang Krishna Nacharajyo Sukhani. All this has not happened. Kimno Raj, you have said Kimno Rajyena. Then
Oh,
Kim
okay.
Bhogail, you said wrongs, which I corrected.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So if I have to say the Anuswara method, then Kinno Rajyena Govinda Kim
Ah.
Bhoga Jivitena va.
Correct. So, see, I'll tell you what the rule is. We have this k, kh, g, gh, ng.
No.
Correct.
Okay.
Then we have this ch, ch, j, j, ny.
Nya. Okay.
Ta, tha, da, dha, na.
Uh-huh.
Ta, tha, da, dha, na.
No.
Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma.
Ma.
So, this is like ka varga, ch varga, ta varga, ta varga, pa varga. Okay.
So Varga. Correct.
All this, the fifth alphabet, the ng, nya,
Ah.
na, ma. This is the Anuswara rule method.
Okay.
For example, if I'm writing on I've put a dot and I've put b, what you will read?
Amba.
Correct. Now I've put a dot and I've put one k. What you will read?
Anka.
I've put a dot and I've put d. What you will read?
Anda.
Now, why didn't you say anba or amda?
Oh. Okay, because the fifth letter of
That
Varga is
varga.
na. Yeah.
Huh.
So that's
So-
why Anda. And for Anka, the fifth letter is nga. So it's
Huh.
Anka.
Huh. And for pa varga. So
Ah,
ba,
ma.
it
Ma
is
is
ma.
the
So
amba.
amba. So
Ah.
this is the rule. So for ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. So Anuswara followed by any of this varga. That varga's Anunasik will be the Anuswara pronunciation.
I see. I see.
So
Okay,
this is called the Vargiya. So in this 25 alphabets are there. Then
Okay.
after that comes 8 alphabets. Ya,
Correct.
ra, la, va,
Lava.
sha, sha, sa,
Shra,
ha.
Sahala.
So this is called the Avargiya.
Okay.
Avargiya means there is no classification.
Correct.
So in this, for year when it comes and the Anuswara comes before that, then the pronunciation will be nya. Like how we say Om Tat Chayo Ravnimahe Tat Chayo. No, we don't
Nyam.
say Tat Chamyo, we don't say
Correct. No,
because
no,
here
no.
is there. So Chayo we say, correct.
Nyam. Okay. Yeah.
So when a year is coming, the previous Anuswara is becoming nya. Okay.
Okay.
When
Okay.
a la comes, the previous Anuswara will become la. La with a Chandra Bindu.
Nga. Okay. Oh, that
La
was there in other chapter. I remember.
So
Chapter
la
18
with
or something.
a,
Yeah.
yeah. So la with the Chandra Bindu will come.
Okay.
So
Okay.
ya will become ya, la
Hmm.
will become la, and all other words will become wa.
Wa. Okay.
Wa. So now what happens over here in
Hmm.
verse number 32, where you have not
Ah.
said the Anuswara, na
Yeah.
kangshe vija young Krishna,
Young
because
Krishna.
like
Ka is
Ganga.
there.
It is not,
Hmm.
we don't say Ganga. We don't
Hmm.
say Ganga. We say
Yes.
Ganga. Ng comes G. So,
Correct.
like that, Vijayang Krishna, because
Krishna.
Ka Varga's Anunasik is Ng.
Correct.
Okay. Then
Ah.
comes Nacha Rajya, and then Sa is there. Sa is in our Avargiya. And it is
Yaralava.
not
Okay.
Ya, it is not Ya, and it is not La. And then
Ah.
everything else is going to become Wa. So this
Hmm.
will become Nacha Rajyam Sukhani cha.
Young.
Wa.
Okay.
Rancham Sukhani. Then
Then
now next
for
comes Kim
Kinno.
and
Kinno.
No. So
Hmm.
Na is in our Pavarga.
Correct.
And the Anunasik itself is Na. So it will become
Okay.
Kinno Rajyena.
Rajena
And
Govinda.
the
Kim
Bha
Bhoga.
with the Bha is in a Pavarga. Anunasik
So
is
Kim.
Bha.
Kim
So Kim
Bhogai.
Bhogayar Jivitena.
Jivitena va. Okay.
Okay.
Yeshamarte. This will Yeshamarte Kangshitannaha.
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
Kangshitannaha.
Then
Rajya.
Rajyam Bhoga Sukhani cha. Correct? Because
Correct.
Bha is in the
Yes.
Ma Varga.
Correct. Then
Ime Vasthita Yuddhe. Pranam.
pronouns. No, so
Pronouns.
pronouns. The one. So because
Pronouns.
it is a sir. Pronouns.
Okay.
Now
The
you
Ime
got the rule.
I understood the rule now.
Okay, so now start
Okay.
chanting from verse number 32. Nakangshe Vijayam Krishna.
Okay. Nakangshe Vijayam Krishna. Nacharajyam Sukhani cha. Kinno Rajyena Govinda. Kim Bhogair Jivitena va. येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितन्नः राज्यं भोगाः सुखानि च त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणान् त्यक्त्वा धना. Is it? Oh, yeah. Okay, all other letters are okay. If it's not your love, okay. Pranaus tyaktva dhanani cha आचार्याः पितरः पुत्राः तथैव च पितामहाः मातुलाः श्वशुराः पौत्राः शालासम्बन्धिनस्तथा.
Shala sambandhina. That visarga sakara should happen.
Okay. शालासम्बन्धिनस्तथा एतान्न हन्तुमिच्छामि घ्नतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतोः किन्नु मही कृते. Correct, right? Okay.
Correct. Very good.
निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः का प्रीतिः स्याज्जनार्दन.
Papa.
पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिनः तस्मान्नार्हा वयं हन्तुं धार्तराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् स्वजनौ हि कथं हत्वा
So
सुखिनः.
katham hatva.
Okay. No, हि कथं कथं हत्वा. Okay. स्वजनौ हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधव यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतसः कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातकम् कथन्न ज्ञेयमस्माभिः पापादस्मान्निवर्तितुं कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं प्रपश्यद्भिर्जनार्दन कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति कुलधर्माः सनातनाः. धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कृत्स्नम् अधर्मोऽभिभवत्युत अधर्माभिभवात् कृष्ण प्रदुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रियः स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु वार्ष्णेय जायते वर्णसङ्करः सङ्करो नरकायैव कुलघ्नानां कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो ह्येषां लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रियाः दोषैरेतैः कुलघ्नानां वर्णसङ्करकारकैः उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः उत्सन्नकुलधर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दन यद्राज्यसुखलोभ
Narake.
sorry जनार्दन नरके नियतं वासः नरके नियतं वासः भवतीत्यनुशुश्रुम अहो बत महत् पापं कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयं यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः यदि मामप्रतीकारम् अशस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः धार्तराष्ट्रारणे हन्युः तन्मे क्षेमतरं भवेत्. अर्जुन सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः सङ्ख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत् विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः। ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः। हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
Excellent. Well done. So now we'll just check a few memory issues. Let's see. Gnatopi.
मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतुः किन्नु महीकृते निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः का प्रीतिः स्याज्जनार्दन पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिनः
येषामर्थे
काङ्क्षितन्नः येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितन्नः राज्यं भोगाः सुखानि च त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणांस्त्यक्त्वा धनानि च
तानि
हा?
निमित्तानि
निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च किन्नो राज्येन
तामहाः
तथैव च पितामहाः आचार्यान् नो पितामहाः मातुलाश्वशुराः पौत्राः श्यालाः सम्बन्धिनस्तथा एतान्न हन्तुमिच्छामि घ्नतोऽपि
स्वजनम्
हत्वा स्वजनमाः is it that हत्वा
Okay, that is one. Another hatva swajanamahave. One.
mahave
Another one. Swajanam.
स्वजनौ हि कथौ हत्वा
Very good.
सुखिनः स्याम माधव यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतसः कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातकम् कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः I'll tell you. कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः यद्राज्य सुखं
Utsanna.
This one I can't get it. Yesterday also I didn't get it.
No problem.
Okay. कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः उत्सन्नकुलधर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दन नरके नियतौ वासः
Kuladharmaha. Another. This is kuladharmascha. Another. Kuladharmaha.
कुलधर्माः सनातनाः धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कृत्स्नम् अधर्मोऽभिभवत्युत अधर्मा प्रदुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रियः स्त्रीषु
Artharashtra.
रणे हन्युः तन्मे क्षेमतरं भवेत् सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः सङ्ख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत् विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः
Samvigna. Samvigna. Over there also. One will happen. Samvigna.
Huh? Oh, sound.
Shokasangvigna.
Shokasamvighnamanasah.
Well done, well done. Just polishing, polishing, polishing. You have made the chits? Not yet. Okay. That will be easy
Ah,
actually.
yes, I've made the chits. Yeah, yesterday only, immediately after the class. So doing it uh, finished, Varshaji, but haven't had the time to even do the chits. I have everything here. Oh, wait. Let me just take out this thing. I have it here.
Oh,
All the
okay.
chits.
The bowl is there. Good, good. Well done. Well prepared.
Yeah, so I've
Well,
made everything, but haven't had the time to still do it.
take Sanya's help.
This Kuladharmascha Shashwataha, I should do something. Yeah. She also has no time. She has just come 6:30. She came. She will join at 10 o'clock, Varshaji.
Okay. She'll just come now. She wants to join
Yeah,
now.
she came. No, she came at 6:30. She's very tired. So she had a inter-school basketball match.
Oh, wow.
And that went on from 3 o'clock, just finished at 6:30. She's here. Come here. Varshaji, come.
Hariom, my
Hello,
dear.
everyone. Yeah.
Hariom, how was your match?
Good.
Good. What was the final score?
We didn't win, but we lost by 2 points.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So very tiring, right? Now you have to take
Yeah.
shower, catch up a
Yeah.
sleep. So I'll not make you chant Gita now. Otherwise, I would have said, come, chant and go quickly.
Yeah. No, she
You
has said she will join at 10 o'clock, Varshaji, because yesterday also she could not join.
15, huh? Not 10.
10:15.
Because there is a class, I forgot. This started this Monday, only one class.
You have written the Ekanathi, this thing.
Yeah. Okay, I'll see you later. You drink water, you lie down, you refresh. I won't trouble you now.
She says not working.
Yes,
Needs
because
to
it's
eat.
tiring. Yeah. And first food and all should go, then only the brain will work. Hariyo, good to see you. See you later. Bye. Okay. Good. Well done, Alkaji. Well done. So we'll see tomorrow. We have
Memory
one
is a
more
bit
day.
of a challenge, I feel, at this age.
No, yours is very good. Grace of God, it's good. Saturday, I'm not able to assure. Let me see how we can do on Saturday.
Okay, Varshaji. Okay.
Okay. Hariyo.
Thank you so much. Hari Om,
My
Varshaji.
pleasure.
Yeah.
Hariyo.
See you.
See you. Oh, 3 ohms. 1 minute. We didn't do our
Yeah.
closing place. Oh. 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 Hariyo. Thank you.
Varshaji, thank you so much.
My pleasure. Hariyo.